what credit? You have told us that you have clients that you have sold to motorbikes, 40,000 times 150,000. That's 6 billion. 6 billion is good, man. On CSR, I would have expected you guys to have adopted one of the streets here. Or that facility at KTRH, our level 5 hospital, so that we'll be able to see what credit, because you're giving now, how can it turn around for life saving in our facility down there. If I went to plead with you as a team, and probably of saying you are in South Africa, Brazil, not mentioning East Africa. You are all over East Africa. Therefore, can you make sure, and it will indicate that most of the motorbikes, when they are stolen here, they go to the border within East Africa. Can you be able to make it possible? This one to be half of the East Africa. You got it right, 86,000. Now it will be close to 100,000. And all of these people will come to your hand, and I'm happy the efforts you guys have put in place. Now you're committing some banks here who are reluctant. Very soon you'll see them coming out and putting tents in every corner, doing exactly what you're doing. And this is what Equity Bank did. You remember banks like Barclays then? There was a specific clientele that was under them. But at the moment, they were pushed out of their offices, and that's what we are looking forward to see. But when you say a few things, our Bwana, ukiwaona hivi, they are picked by name. Hawa ni watu ambao wanajua, ukisema South Mudango ni watu wangu. And me, I was telling the municipality when they came to see me the other day, I'm the only governor who has made it deliberate. Nakaa na wao, tunaongea, tunaposana, tunakubaliana, tunaenda. Because I believe strongly that this is ile bottom up, ile William Ruto. If you came here, it's me who was established. Na mimi naongea na wao. President anakuambia, hata kama tuko na challenges zetu wenyewe, mambo kidogo, but I can assure you, these are people that if I call people from a certain sub-county, I'll always meet them and discuss the issues affecting them.